Hello everybody, Miyabi here, back at it again. Today, I want to introduce you to our RX lineup. The RX represents the absolute pinnacle of our bags. When a product gets the RX treatment, there are no compromises. This is where we bring out all the bells and whistles, the most premium fabrics, the best hardware available. Some we even had to custom develop. Essentially, almost all the components in the RX line have been upgraded compared to the regular version. But it's not just about better materials. Certain mechanisms and construction details were overhauled entirely to deliver a noticeably better experience in real-world use. To use an analogy from the automotive industry, think of the RX as the top-tier version of the same car model. Same platform, same DNA, just elevated to its fullest potential. The RX variant is for those who want the highest expression of a product. So when you see the RX label, you know you're not just getting a different colorway or a cosmetic upgrade. You're getting the best version of the product that we know how to make. Now, let's kick things off with the Breakaway. I have with me here the Breakaway RX. It's available in black, slate gray, and multicam. In this video, I will only be highlighting what's different about the RX compared to the regular version. If you haven't seen the full walkthrough of the regular Breakaway, you can click the link in the description. Okay, the first obvious difference is the main fabric. We use X-Pac X21 for the black and the slate variants and X50 for the multicam. Not only does this make it more durable, but it also provides a more premium feel while being approximately 17% lighter. The side compression strap now features metal hooks and is also detachable. You can then reattach the side straps to one of 6 new attachment points around the bag. We have 2 on the top, we have 2 new ones on the side, and 2 on the bottom. So let me reattach it to this one here. So the bag comes with 2 straps, but if you need more, you can always purchase additional hook straps to support your extended carry needs. Now you might already have some of these lying around, because if you remember, this is the exact same strap that we use in our Sakush and our Division. So compared to the regular version, the RX side pockets are now taller and they're also expandable. What this means is you can now carry even larger bottles. All right, moving on to the inside, I want to highlight a few changes that we made there. First is we extended the length of the zipper. This allows for a much wider opening. We maintained the lightly colored liner for improved visibility. The 4 internal pockets have also been upgraded to an elastic mesh, increasing the capacity and allowing for a more snug fit. This prevents items from shifting around while you're on the move. We've added a stretch mechanism to the laptop compartment to ensure a secure fit for laptops across different sizes and thicknesses. Here I have a 13-inch MacBook Pro, fits quite nicely. This dummy is modeled after a 15-inch laptop. It's on the thicker side, and as you can see, fits perfect. And when empty, the compartment compresses flat and doesn't take up unnecessary space. Next, up top, underneath the flap, we have a new pocket. This pocket is accessible both from the right side and the left. What's interesting about this pocket is with the help of these pullers, you can access the pocket even when the bag is closed. The top webbing has been replaced with Hypalon. This allows us to laser cut in 3 loops, which can be used for hooking up accessories like my trusty wireless earbuds, like so. The reflective strip is now gray on the RX as opposed to white on the regular Breakaway. Roll top mode is still here and it's accessible like so. And there you have it, an alternate look for your Breakaway. Oh, by the way, the Cobra buckle is still an optional upgrade, but for the RX, I highly recommend it. So upgrades made to the backside. The RX features a 4D mesh back panel with more pronounced contouring for improved comfort and breathability. We've overhauled the shoulder straps, starting with the foam itself. It's now thicker and therefore more comfortable. Okay, so our sternum straps are now magnetic, making it really easy to detach them and reattach them. On both sides of the shoulder strap, we have these Hypalon strips, which are not just for aesthetics. They serve several purposes, actually. First of which is you can use them to attach your sunglasses. So whenever you need them, you have easy access to them. And when you don't, you can easily tuck them away. And the one on the right features a gated hook, which can be used for attaching various items like this Bluetooth speaker. Now you might be wondering what this circular thing is. This is a Fidlock attachment point, and it's compatible with our Snap Division magnetic accessories. I have a few accessories here I'd like to demo for you, starting off with the ID card holder. So it's an ID card holder that can hold an additional 3 other cards, total of 4. Snaps on like so. To detach it, you twist it slightly towards yourself and pull up. We have a mini pouch, snaps on the same way, snap off. Glasses pouch, same deal, snap on, snap off. Key organizer. Finally, a keychain. There is a walkthrough video for the Snap Division accessories. Don't forget to check it out. Link in the description. And that's the Breakaway RX by LBB.